How's everybody doing, guys? Welcome to Trade Confident. In this video, I'm going to show you guys the best way to trade crypto, like the number one strategy. I have helped hedge funds trade like this. I've helped whales trade like this. I've helped thousands of traders trade exactly like this. This to me, I can back up with metrics, which I'm actually going to show you today. I'm going to show you my live portfolio, the $10,000 I'm trading with, how I'm doing, and where I should be if I traded like the normal retail trader or if I'm using this strategy. So if you want to learn how to trade the crypto market with a lot of success, in my personal opinion, watch this entire video. It will be shorter than the others. All right, real quick, let me give you some proofs so I'm not just like saying this and you're like, oh, really? You know what you're talking about? I do. Like, I've done a lot of trading, guys, and I've helped a bunch of people. So here are the recent trades that we have won. We won 17.06% profit on GRT USD on July 11th, 17%. We then won 19.36% on July 7th. And then still in the month of July, we won 20.10% on GRT. And then again in July, we won 20.22% profit on COMP. And then actually in June, the month prior, we did 15.14% on BTC. And these are all the winning trades, all the wins and the losses I've taken on here so far. So no losses yet. It's just winners. Now we'll keep you updated with this. All right. How am I able to call these trades? What am I doing? I'm using a specific method called dollar cost averaging. Now, it's not as simple as just dollar cost average and you're good to go. Let me show you guys how I do this. Now, the benefit of this is you guys can access all of the live trades that I'm calling out for the top 16 currencies: Bitcoin, Ethereum, Binance, Dogecoin, Cardano, Ripple, Polkadot, and the list goes on and on here. If you guys see one you like, I covered in here: Uniswap, VeChain, the Graph, EOS, all these, Stellar. So all of these coins here, I'm calling out. Go over here, get a membership for yourself, $49 a month. Guys, it's literally $49 a month. It will be going up. It is probably the cheapest amount you will pay for the metrics that I have here, but I'm going to today be focusing on the live trading. Okay, let's go over this. Let's take a look today, and we're going to go over Ethereum and ADA because those are the current trades that I'm in. I'm going to show you guys my account balance here. Here is why the way I trade is so important. A lot of people, we're going to use this trade for example. A lot of people ended up doing a market order and they put all their money into one section without dollar cost averaging. So here's the actual trade call that I called out for everybody on tradeconfident.io. It was this trade right here. We started to move up and we got to these very high sections, which this correlates to this move up right over here, okay? We see this wick down, we saw the first move and then a move up, okay? We see the wick down, the first move, and then a move up. What happened here is I did not buy in on the original place where I saw the price moving up. I didn't market order. All the trades that I give you guys on this channel, I always get in at a discount to start the trade. That's the first very most important thing to do, is always get in on a discount. So what I did is I actually waited for this to drop back down and I got it on a discount of a total of about 11.67%, and this is the first buy limit. The sell limit originally started a little bit higher in here, as you can clearly see, but I moved it down as the price went down. Now let me show you this over on ADA, and then I'm going to show you my actual real live account balance right now and what's going on. If we take a look at ADA, you guys can see over here from the trade call that when I called this out, let me get this up here real quick. When I called this out for all of you guys, oops, sorry, kind of was right there. The entry was right up here. Like, it's way up there, and we've dropped down all the way to here. And you're like, oh my gosh, you must have lost thousands. Well, no. And I am trading with $10,000 anyhow. I'll show you how I'm doing this. So the original trade call you can see was right on the chart here, and the latest update. So this was the original buy. I didn't put a risk to reward ratio on it, but here it was right here. First, second, third, fourth buy limit. And then I updated here very clearly here so everybody could see it. So this is what it looked like. All right, follow me here. What I ended up doing is getting into this position right here. Now, this is what is probably the most important part of the video here, and then I'm going to go over a couple more things. But at the current moment, from my first entry to the price where it is right now, this is down 21.43%, okay? Follow this. 21% I am down currently on ADA. And then Ethereum, I'm currently down on Ethereum at the moment. If I were to get in and just from my entry here, and if I were to put all my money in to the current time right now, 23.76, that's kind of surprising. 23.76%. Okay. Here's what I did. On a $10,000 account balance, what you normally would have seen is, let's pick this a middle ground. We'll call it 20%. We'll just make this really simple. 20% of $10,000 is $2,000. So my account balance should be at $8,000 or just below based off these two trades. $8,000. Here's exactly where my account is today. It should be down 20%, and it is down a total of 7.5%, 7.6%, only 7%. Like literally, I've cut my losses by $200. 200%. I've cut my loss by 200%. Does that make sense? 7 times 3 is 21. Like the 20% that I've told you guys I should be down here. This is why it is so important. Sorry, guys. That's not what we want to see. I do coaching, by the way. Did not mean to put that in there. So this is what I'm talking about is I should be down around $2,000 here and have maybe an account balance that's showing as 7,000 something, maybe 7,900 or so. But I'm only down $760 right now. You can see all of the orders that I filled. You guys can screenshot this. Everything is real. Everything is true that I'm telling you guys. All of those buy limits are true. And I still have all my buys ready to go for Ethereum and ADA, as well as my sell positions in here that exactly match all the trades I'm calling at Trade Confident. This is why, and I'll end the videos with this, this is why I truly believe that we have the best setup to trade crypto. Now, you're going to see people out there who are like, here's the entry, here's the stop loss, here's the take profit. I understand that people like trading like that, but I'm telling you guys, I come in here and I will update buy limits. I will update sell limits because you have to, like, we're using these metrics over here that are literally revolutionizing the game for traders. Like, I'm serious. We are calling so many good pumps, so many good drops. We have so much good data, and I am using all of this because I obviously have access to all this. I'm using all this to help make all the trade calls over at Trade Confident, and I believe that's why we've been so successful is I'm dollar cost averaging. I'm also using all the metrics, and you guys are just getting all the best trade setups in here, okay? So I am going to come out with another roll of trades coming out here pretty soon, because it's just we're ready for another round. Some of these are going to be hitting the profit soon, I believe in the next 1 to 2 weeks and so. And then I'm also considering releasing a metric that you guys could actually watch on tradeconfident.io and literally enter a trade any day of the week, anytime you want. Even if you get emotionally stimulated and you're like, you know what, I got $100 and I want to enter a trade right now. I will actually show you guys how to place a trade immediately at the best places and how to dollar cost average into the trades and give you a take profit. You could do it anytime during the day, any day during the week. That is something I'm rolling out on Trade Confident. So get your membership now before I up the prices, because I am going to be up. I promise you guys, mark these words. I will up the price of tradeconfident.io from $49. Most likely I might tier it up a little bit, but it will be about $100 to $200 in I would say comfortably soon. I can't tell you exactly when because I'm working on a few things with data and such like that, but it will happen. It's not going to be a year from now, okay? We'll call it that. So I hope this video really helps you guys and gives you solid proof that I'm real. I am trading with real money here. I know what I'm talking about here. Of course, I have plenty to learn, so please don't take that as arrogance. I am trying to learn more and more every day to help us and everyone on this channel. But if you guys want a place to follow, to start trading with me, to make these percentages, tradeconfident.io is the best place, in my opinion, to go over and get that, as well as getting access to all the trade calls. You get access to all of the, excuse me, sorry. I just had someone purchase an indicator, the pressure gauge. You guys get access to all of this. On the topic of indicators, I'm sorry I'm taking a little tangent right here, but this is all good. If you click the indicators, I'm so sorry, guys. I have not been saying anything about this, but all the prices for all the indicators are going up at the end of this month. I've apologized. I should have started sooner on this, but hey, at least I started halfway through the month. I literally have just forgotten on the videos. So the trend dashboard, the trend exhaustion, the buyers for sellers, the pressure gauge that someone just bought, like these are all on sale, and I will be upping them at least $15 to $25 on August 1st. So hope you guys enjoy that. I wanted to just leave this with you guys. I had a guy yesterday. I blocked a little bit of this out for him, but again, this is all the trades that I'm calling. Literally, what we're going over today, the trades I'm calling. A guy ended up entering in on a UNI trade I called. He said, I went long on UNI and immediately it pumped. Thanks, bro. I got $100 out of nowhere in 10 seconds. So great job. And this just means he subscribed to the channel. So subscribe to the channel, guys. I'm making live trade calls on here, and make sure you guys are subscribed over at tradeconfident.io, and I'll see you guys in the next video. I think you guys will really enjoy this membership over here, and welcome to the family of Trade Confident when you guys sign up. God bless you guys so much. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments or shoot me an email at btradeconfident@gmail.com, and I'll answer those. All right, guys, have a good Thursday, and I'll see you guys tomorrow, Friday, on the videos. All right, bye, guys.